It's remarkable how complicated things can feel inside the mind. Layers of interpretation, expectation, projection, all building on top of what's actually happening right now. Welcome to the quote for today. I'm glad you're here. Today's quote gently reminds us to look at the difference between the moment itself and the story we attach to it. The present moment is always simpler than your thoughts about it. This quote reminds us that thought often adds complexity where none is required. The moment itself is direct. It asks only to be experienced. But the mind analyzes, predicts, and judges, creating tension that belongs to interpretation rather than reality. When you step back from those layers, something steadies. The breath becomes noticeable. The environment becomes tangible. What seemed overwhelming begins to feel manageable, not because circumstances changed, but because attention returned to what's real instead of imagined. This doesn't mean dismissing thought. It means seeing it clearly. When you recognize the difference between experience and interpretation, you regain perspective, and with perspective, calm and clarity naturally follow. Here's one gentle way to work with this today. If your thoughts begin to spiral, pause and name what is actually happening in simple terms. Notice how the moment itself feels compared to the story around it. Carry that grounding with you as the day unfolds. You don't need to eliminate thinking to feel steady. Often, calm returns when you reconnect with the simplicity already here. And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Reality is immediate, and peace grows when interpretation softens. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.